how to find horizontal asymptotes. So there are three cases that we want to consider. So for a rational function, f of x equals p of x over q of x, you could either have the degrees of the two polynomials in the numerator and the denominator being equal, in which case your horizontal asymptote would be the line y equals ap over aq, where AP is the leading coefficient of P and AQ is the leading coefficient of Q. If the degree of P of X is greater than the degree of Q of X, then there are no horizontal asymptotes. And if the degree of P of X is less than the degree of Q of X, then Y equals 0 is a horizontal asymptote. So let's look at our three examples. We have f of x equals 2 over 3x plus 5. Here the degree is 0, and here this is a linear function, this is degree 1. So when we consider that, we're going to look at the case where the degree of the denominator is greater than the degree of the numerator, and that would be right here. The degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. So y equals 0 is a horizontal asymptote. And in the next example, notice that we have a quadratic function in the numerator and a quadratic function in the denominator. So the degrees match. Basically what happens is since those are the highest powered terms on X, or highest powers on X, these terms are going to dominate relative to these other terms. And so for really large values of X, either positive or negative, these terms are going to be insignificant, and you're going to get y equals 3x squared divided by 5x squared, which is just y equals 3/5. So that's what I have for the horizontal asymptote here. And finally, here the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, so there are no horizontal asymptotes.